Hey guys, welcome back to Ford Adventures. It's Hong once again, and Happy New Year, Happy 2022. So glad that 21 is finally over. We can begin fresh once again. Towards the end of the month, it kind of went a nosedive with this new variant, and a lot of restrictions for Christmas, a lot of restrictions for New Year's Eve, and it's slowly just dragging on over to the New Year's. But hey, that's life, right? So in today's video, we're gonna just kickstart the new year with a very simple video. Over the weekend, I was driving and I realized that I didn't have a cell phone holder on my dashboard somewhere along. So usually I just throw my cell phone on the passenger seat and hope for the best when I need it. Anyway, so I was just, I was fumbling this weekend looking for my cell phone, and you know what? I decided I need to get a cell phone holder, but I am not going to buy one. They're pretty pricey, and some of them don't look good. So I'm going to come up with one for my Jeep with all the junk parts that I have lying around. I have a bunch of GoPro mounts, RAM mounts, tripod mounts. So I'm just going to quickly just put something together and throw it onto the front handle bar on the passenger side of the JKU. So I already pried off the trim piece off the handle of the Jeep. It's pretty simple. Just need a trim removal tool and just slowly go through the sides and just pry it off. There is two screws, or two fake screws that are for decorations. They don't really hold it in. And I already have it out, so here it is. Right here, this is the piece, and this screw right here and this screw, these are not real screws. Yeah, these are just for decorations. And I'm just going to remove that, probably drill out the bottom here, and then add this ball mount right here to that, and then everything is just here. These are just the junk that I've mentioned earlier. So I'm just gonna put this together and then just have it clamped there, and then my cell phone can just sit inside here. Alright, so let's get going. Let's get this hole drilled and see if this will all fit. Here we go, the hole is drilled. I had to remove a substantial part of the plastic. As you can see, it's very thin. On the other side, it's like this. So yeah, you can see, big difference. It's about a centimeter or so. And yeah, that's all I have left. So now, with the hole drilled, I can put the ball mount and then the screw in through there like that, and then just lock it up with the nut. See that, and then just gonna quickly tighten it. It's pretty secured in, as you can see. Figure out why I have this lying around. This ball mount right here is actually smooth, and when the RAM mount clipped in, it would not sit in place. So that's why this this mount is sitting around in the junk pile. So what I'm going to do now is take some Tesla tape, and then I'm just going to wrap it around this mount, and hopefully it stays on, because this is how, when I put this on, you see what I mean? When I put this on, it doesn't stay in place because the ball mount is smooth. So, and this is without the phone, right? So imagine some weight on there, and this would just fall over. So yeah, what I'm gonna do is throw some Tesla tape on there, and it should hold the mount. So let's put this down. Test if this works. Oh yes, definitely a lot better. Definitely a lot better. There is no move. So there we go. Now we can actually take this outside and put it back on the handle. I'll see you guys outside. Whew. Alright guys, we're back in the Jeep. It is freezing out here. Hopefully I just get this done quickly. Alright. Alright, here's your handle, passenger handle, and here we go. Let's see if this fits. And just got to make sure all the clips get clipped in. So I'm just going to start with this side and then just push it back in there. There we go. It is secured. As you can see here now, this is it's in there. It doesn't move. It seems secure. Can't remember how it was before, but it actually fits, not bad. There is some play here still, but it works. Let's put the phone on. That phone is on. Just tighten it up like that. I guess I can still move it around like this. You can move up, you can move it this way, you can move it up. What other ways can I do this? I guess I just have to go and test it to see how it reacts to some bumps, see if this actually falls out. Other than that, it is done. It's nice and cheap. I didn't have to use any money. There's just leftover parts that I had. You know, another cell phone mount here, or holder. You know, got some more RAM mounts hanging around. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Originally I had some other B-roll that's from a GoPro, but that didn't come out too well because it was from the overhead, and that didn't come out. It was aimed there wrongly, so hence lack of video. But yeah, this is pretty much it. You know, I could have just went out and bought I think it was a Carolina Masters. They have a mount like this that goes into this spot, and I think that was like $80 for that mount. And I'm like, I'm not buying that. I'm just gonna use whatever I have and come up with something. And this is what it is. Nice and cheap. It's cheap if you already have the parts, right? You know, if you have some parts lying around. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for the video. If you guys found that in any way useful or enjoyed it, please hit a like, subscribe for future videos, and I'll see you on the next one. Ciao.